In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to create a custom paper size for printer here in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First things first, you need to proceed here at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. You can also press Windows key and I key together on your keyboard and in that way or manner you would be able to bring up the settings window. Okay, so here at the settings, directly proceed to the left side of that, and there you can see Bluetooth and devices. Click on this one. And here at the Bluetooth and devices section, you would be able to see printers and scanners. Okay, here at the printers and scanners, you would be able to see a list of printer driver that are being installed here in your Windows 11. Now, the catch is you need to select any of the printers that you would like to create a custom paper size with. So in my case, I'll be selecting Epson L120. So here you'll be able to see printer settings. Please proceed with the printing preferences. Click on this one. Once you click on it, in a few moments, you would be able to bring up this window where it contains three sections which are main, more options, and maintenance. So proceed to the main here, and there you can see document size. Click on this down arrow key and proceed with user defined. Click on it. Once you click on it, you'll be able to see this kind of window where here it will ask you to go with your paper size name, okay? And here it will ask you to set the paper weight that you would prefer and the paper height, okay? But here at the paper width, you need to ensure that you only go with on or between 3.50 to 8.50. And here at the height, on the contrary, you need to go with on or between 5 to 44 inch. So by that, you need to set the paper weight that you would like. In my case, for example, I would like to go with 6 inch. Okay. Once you've set it, go with the paper height. Okay. And in my case, I'll be selecting 18 inch. So ensure that the unit is being set here as well as inched. Once you are good, please proceed to the paper size name. And in my case, I'll be setting it as the sizes go. I will go with 6 by 18 for easy identification. Once you're good, you will be able to see save button here. Click on that one. And eventually it would be added here 6 by 18. Click on the OK button here. And there you have that you would be able to automatically set it as your document size as well, which is 6 by 18. Once you're good, please click on OK and check, click on the printing preferences again. And there you have that you have just successfully set it as the document size. And here at the more option, it has been set as well. So click on the OK button here and close the window. Okay. So that's it. If you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Now, thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.